Hello friends, welcome to our another effect lecture. In this lecture we are going to take a look at twist. So first of all, let's create a rectangle and let's provide a fill color to it. Now let's go to the effect menu and let's go to, so first effect, under effect distort and transform, and then let's take a look at twist. And you will see this window popping up asking you the angle of the twist. Now let's check the preview option first. So currently it's 0 degree. Let's increase the value and say, so yeah, you can use it for flag design, for flag icons. Yes friend, Illustrator is also used for icon design. And say for banner, yeah, you can use it for some banner design, for some flag design, like this. So this is the twist effect. It's really very fancy, isn't it? You're getting some kind of wavy effect. Not wave, I will say, because we are having only say two curves, one like this and another like this. So not kind of wavy effect, but flag kind of effect, right? Okay, so this was with rectangle. Let's test few more shapes. Let's test with a star. Let's go to effect, distort and transform. Let's twist it. See? It's cool, right? It's becoming some kind of amoeba or something else, huh? Yeah, I think so. Okay, some idea has come to my mind. Oh my god, is it octopus or something else? Yeah, if it is having 8, okay, let's do it. Points, let's make it 8, and radius 1 140, radius 2 say 70, radius 2 let's decrease it to say 40. Let's see, let's hit okay, and this is the one, right? Let's go to effect, distort and transform, twist. Check the preview option and let's twist it. Oh my god. Let's click on OK. You can even design logo with it, isn't it? What do you think? I think we can. Let's come here and let's draw an ellipse, I mean a circle. Say like this. Let's provide a black fill color. Yup. Okay. Now, again, let's create another star. This time, radius 2, let's make it say 120. So close to radius 1. And number of points, let's make it 6 only. Let's click on OK. It's looking like polygon only, right? Hexagon, yeah. So now let's go to effect, distort and transform, twist, check the preview option and see. Let's create another star, and this time let's make it 100 pixel. Go to effect, distort and transform, twist, check the preview option and see. So yeah, you can just take a look at it and you can design really cool stuff, right? So that's it, guys. This is what twist does, and you can find it useful in your project. So that's it, guys. This is what twist does. Another thing, you can apply multiple effects to one object. Yes, friend. Yep. Let me show you. Let's take a look at this roughen option. Let's check the preview option and see. Oh my god. My goodness. See? Okay. And later we have a project where we will see that we are going to design some okay, something cool we are going to design. That I'll not tell you now. Later I will tell you. Okay, guys, so that's it. uh, Try to play with multiple effects and apply that to one object, and you can really get awesome effect. Yes, friend, just go crazy with effects. Yeah, full permission. Okay, guys, so here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture, where we will take a look at another effect, and that's zigzag. Till then, have fun, take care.